Welcome everybody, welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Services Private Limited. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and click the bell icon to receive future notifications from our channel. So welcome everybody, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to HExcelprop. So we are back again with another video of Provident Deansgate, and this time we will be looking out the simplex apartment which is there in the ground floor. Well, before that, just a small intro. The property is located on IVC Road, 15-acre land parcel with 96 clusters. They have about 288 townhouses. So the concept of this project is basically they have the simplex and 3 BHK duplex houses, the private garden and as well as the private terrace. The terrace townhouses is what you can call it as. They have launched the phase 2. Yesterday was the launch date and they are open for booking. You may come down for booking. So that's the area. So this is how the lift area will be for this area. The steps will be there to reach out to the duplex, the 3 BHK duplex, where we have 2 units on the first floor, and the one unit is there in the entire ground floor. This is the lift area, and I'll show you the parking area also, where you can easily park 3 vehicles. I mean 3 big cars you can easily park in that area. So this is the car park area which we are showing you. Let us now enter the actual flat which is available here, the actual garden townhouses. They have made it as a sample apartment, or we can call it as sample house. The large dimension of 1900 plus square feet area. They have given a living area, comes with the dining table, and next to the dining table they have the balcony along with the garden area. So before we enter, we go and look out. Now let us first look out the bedroom. Comes with the washroom, the attached washroom to the bedroom. And every bedroom will have the window. The big windows they have given inside the bedrooms. Now we are going towards the balcony area. So that's the balcony come the garden area. The whole garden will be given it to the customers. I mean, you can use it. Let's say if you're buying the apartment, so you will get the advantage, the ground floor unit of this 3 BHK simplex. You will have the garden attached to it. If you're buying 3 BHK duplex villamint which is there, so you will get the private terrace. I hope you might have seen my yesterday's video. If you have not seen it, we'll share the link in the description. You may refer. So that's the kitchen area what we looked at, and now we are entering into the second room. So this is the second room. Comes with again the attached washroom, and the big window is given. Right, the windows are for ventilation. They have given these windows. That's the washroom what we just looked at. Almost more than half of the size window they have given. And the master bedroom is one of the attractive thing is what I found in this unit. The huge master bedroom they have given. Starting from 2 crore 9 lakh onwards, you may reach out to us for further discussion if you are interested to know more. That's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and if you have any questions you may reach out to us. Thank you so much.